Hey guys, I've just got The Last of Us 2 game on PS4 Pro, and if you're like me and playing this game as well, you'll reach a stage where there is a lock that you will need to open. There is a safe, which basically requires a key for 6 digits. As you see, let's look at here. The 6 digits need to be entered here, but then how do you get the? I mean, usually what you would see is the game has hints all over the place to give you, to tell you what the key is. So here in this particular place, it's quite tricky because the hint is right here. So if you come back here, you'll see a note. I've already taken down the note, so obviously you don't see it, but let me show you the note anyway. So this is how it looks like. This is the piece of paper that I torn from this notice board, and if you read it, it says that the combo actually has been changed to the last 6 digits of Stacy's phone number. The trick here is that the last 6 digits are not really visible because of the torn paper, so the last 2 digits are missing. Now if you have the time, obviously you can do all the permutations and combinations and go from 01 to 99 and try all the combinations. Of course it might work, but obviously that's not a great idea. So I thought initially it was frustrating to try a couple of ideas, but it didn't work out, obviously. So what I thought was, maybe since this is Stacy's store, this store actually has a safe which has Stacy's phone number as password. So I assumed that Stacy is an important person in this store. So I looked all over the place, right from the counter up front to inside, and I was looking that some place may have mentioned Stacy's phone number somewhere else, where probably I can get the last 2 digits of the phone number as well. But then I didn't find it anywhere. But it's a small place, so I thought I'll check everything out, including the washroom, and see what you find. Usually people don't like their bosses, and this is an interesting thing. Somebody has written this interesting thing in the washroom: for a good time, call Stacy. It's obviously a joke from one of the employees, but then it still works for us because it gives us the last 2 digits. There is 3 and 3. I don't know if it's visible to you. I hope it is. Yeah, it gives you 3 and 3, and this is exactly what the combination of that particular safe inside is. Now let's go ahead and attempt this. And I'm so sorry, while I go there, I know I should have actually recorded this on the PlayStation itself, but my internet is not working, and I just wanted to make this video for you because it's a new game and a lot of us might be interested. So I thought I'll just quickly make this video. It's Visa 55 01. Was it 01? Let me just quickly go back. I'm so sorry, I just missed that part, right? 55013, right? Just a second, I'll just quickly go back and figure that out. So sorry for the sloppy video, guys. I would have wanted to make a much smoother video. 5550. The last 6 digits are what? 550133. 550133. These are the digits. So I was actually right. I was just confused whether I was right or not. 550133. 550133. Just a second. Let's try it out if it works or not. I'm also trying it for the first time. It's not that I've done it before. 55 01, and then last 2 digits are 33. These are the last 2 digits that were deceptively missing, and boom, the safe opens. Haha. Oh, interesting supplies. Let's see what we get here. Well, there's a belt. I don't know what to do with it, but okay. I don't know if we can try it. Let's see what else. Oh, it's a new holster. Obviously it is important. So guys, don't drop it. Don't give up if you're not able to find it. And this is the video of how to do it. I hope you didn't give up and you've got it. I already have the bullets. I already have the health kit, so I don't need it. But then the new holster, which will allow me to keep a new gun, super helpful for sure. So guys, this is the hint. Totally worth the time and effort. I hope you guys get it too. Have fun. Thank you.